This is the m14. It's $100 at Dick's. At Dick's, you know, Dick's Sporting Goods for $100. Pretty cheap, I say. This gun is really well. I mean, I think it's appropriate for like a sanction field, you know, Airsoft sanction field. This thing is great. I'll probably have to show you a shooting review on it. And that I'll do right now. Just give me a second. And I'll do that right now. Okay. Here's a piece of styrofoam. I'll sit it down here where you can see it and we'll shoot it. Okay. Wow. That was probably about like 5 shots, automatic, and it blew that thing up. I was all the way back over there, probably about 10 feet back, and it shot it pretty well. I highly recommend that you get the $100 M14 from Dick's Sporting Goods. Perfect. Has one of these clips, everybody likes these. Semi-automatic and automatic, and the sights are perfect for it. They're adjustable sights. It's a perfect gun to have. Perfect.